Talking about that video Father Mbaka made earlier this afternoon regarding Ogechi Njaka. You know, I've been thinking about everything he said on that video. In the accusation from Ogechi Njaka, the social media activities by some people, you know, and other adage he used on that speech. Does it mean that all this thing that has been going on social media, that Father Mbaka is aware of it, you know, like the way people try to, you know, drag him, the Buhari prophecy about P2B, because he said something about those things on his speeches. Does it mean that he is fully aware of all these things going on social media? And more especially about Matthias, you know, the way Matthias has been dragging adoration ministry, you know, saying all manner of things, like all the other ka Matthias G Enugu adoration na pam all these years. So does this mean that Father Mbaka is actually seeing all those things, but he never for one day come out to lay curse on Matthias? Does it mean that, okay, Matthias is free to be criticizing adoration ministry Enugu? Matthias is free to be saying some certain things that no jukweme nka o na-eri ndị bayar o na-egwu ndị mmadụ ndị mbaị wayo o na-eme nke ọ dịghị eme nka. But he never come out for once all these years to address it, or even to lay curse on Matthias. Or no tabugo di onu ka ya na ihe na-eme. Why is it that this Ogechi Njaka own is what he's kind of, you know, talking about for the first, no, not even the first time, the second or third time now? Or does it mean that na Matthias wa gafu no way he GM, that Ogechi is more important? There's no difference between what Matthias is doing and what or whatever he thinks that Ogechi, JPAC, and the Governor Ezioku said about him. So why is he paying more attention on Ogechi's side and leave Matthias all this while? Because Matthias has said more than what Ogechi said against Father Mbaka. Then secondly, he mentioned about Ogechi coming out to apologize. I don't have anything against that. On a norms, Ogechi and the JPAC and also Governor Ezioku, they need to apologize to him for laying accusation against him. Or less they say that they have the evidence of what they said. Everybody knows that that native doctor of a thing they said is just akụkọ Mike Ejaya. It's not even making any sense to me. And on that speech, he also said that Ogechi will apologize and come to him or come out to tell him or tell people who sent her. Now, that statement was made by JPAC, Ogechi, and Governor Ezioku against Father Mbaka. Now, JPAC has apologized. Same with Governor Ezioku. I don't know if that one have apologized or not. And Father Mbaka forgave them and also blessed them. I saw a picture where he was praying for JPAC. This picture here. So does that mean that after praying for JPAC, Father Mbaka cannot call JPAC and ask him, who sent you guys to lie against me? Why is he waiting for Ogechi to be released from prison before she will come and say who sent them or how they, came up with such story. Meanwhile, JPAC and Governor Ezioku are now Enugu Adoration members. Because for me, it's not making any sense. Even JPAC will even say the truth than what Ogechi Njaka will say. Why not ask JPAC or invite JPAC? Because once you invite JPAC, JPAC must go. Why not invite JPAC and ask JPAC, who sent you guys to say this thing against me? The main originator of that statement is Beleface. You guys are not telling me anything. I'm sure that the main person that originated that story is Beleface. Because he made that same statement first before Ogechi Njaka also said the same thing. And now I understand the reason why he came up with all those things. Because that was when he was still fighting, trying to, break everywhere, to say some certain things, hoping that Zion ministry gana akwụghị ụgwọ na Zion ga-ebidochawari ya ego. No, na Zion ọgụ. Not knowing that what we do in Zion ministry is speaking the truth. We don't say what we don't know. We don't accuse people wrongly. If you check major people that speak about Zion, like major Zion members that blog about Zion, none of us made such statement. They are the ones, especially Beleface, the hustler, that came up with such story. Won't it be more okay for him to call his son Beleface to tell him who sent them to make such allegation against him? Because for me, I want to know. I want to know who sent them. I'm very interested to know who sent them. Ejike qualitative Dr. Ogo. Like, seriously. I was just thinking. Well, sometimes I used to think too much. I don't know. Good night from here. God